Hey, we're here with Tash, resident mixologist at Fins Up Bar and Grill. Tash, how are you?
I'm fantastic. How about yourself?
I'm great, thank you.
Who's your friend?
Oh, that's Jim. Hey, Jim, say hi to Tash.
You're a sexy beast.
I'm sorry, he says that to everybody.
No, I don't.
Okay, so what 3 margaritas are we making today, Tash?
Fins Up Daily, Lakeside Sunrise.
Those 2 are named after the new residences at Margaritaville Resort Orlando. And there's a 3rd one, yeah?
Thrill Chill.
Thrill Chill, which is aptly named after the new slingshot ride at Sunset Walk, or as I like to call it, the Keep Your Together Margarita, huh? No. Okay, we'll just keep it Thrill Chill.
Perfect.
Can't wait to try them.
Is he even allowed to drink?
Absolutely not.
I thought so.
Okay, Tash, let's start with the Fins Up Daily.
Okay. So we have our shaker. We're gonna start off with our branded tequila, Margaritaville tequila. We're gonna have an ounce.
And that is an ounce.
Yes, sir. And we're gonna have half ounce.
And what are we pouring now?
Triple sec.
Ooh, not 1, not 2, but triple sec.
And we're gonna have 2 ounces of Margaritaville lime juice also. Yes, sir.
All right.
It's actually not a cup, it is a jigger. And we're gonna have half ounce of Melon Liquor. Put it in there. And then we're gonna put the top on and we're gonna shake.
What's the key to proper shaking?
The color gonna be up.
Okay. I like it.
You like it? All right, so we're gonna prep our glass now.
Okay. And we're prepping first in, what is that, agave?
Yes, sir.
All right, then right into the salt. Nice, oh, very nice. And then the correct pour. This is done by a professional. Wow. If I was living the Fins Up lifestyle, it'd be with this drink right here.
And then we're gonna garnish with a lime.
This is the Fins Up Daily. And now to celebrate the amazing views from your balcony at the residences at Margaritaville Resort Orlando, let's go into the Lakeside Sunrise. Tash, take it away.
Of course. As we have ice in our shaker.
Ice in the shaker,
Yes,
okay.
and again, we're gonna be using tequila.
Very nice.
Margaritaville. And we're gonna use an ounce again.
1 ounce.
Yes, sir. And then come behind that with some triple sec.
Triple sec.
Half.
Can't have a margarita without triple sec, right?
No.
It's like one of the main ingredients.
It is.
All right. Then
Lime juice also.
Lime juice.
Yes, and we're gonna use 2 ounces.
Okay. Very good.
So now we're gonna add mango puree.
Ooh. Wow. That's a thick puree.
Too thick.
No.
And then we're gonna come behind that with some strawberry puree.
Strawberry puree as well.
And then we're gonna cover and we're about to shake.
Shake it up again. You always shake the margaritas?
Always.
Always shake. There'll never be a time that you don't shake a margarita. When it's made on ice, right? Okay. All right.
We're gonna prep our glass again.
Now, could you use anything other than agave? Like, could you use like straight honey?
You can.
Okay.
And you can also use lime juice too.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice.
And then we're gonna pour.
That looks just like a Lakeside Sunrise.
It is.
And what would you garnish that with?
We're gonna use an orange to garnish.
Ooh, it's just like a sunrise. This drink should be amazingly refreshing. Might look like a sunrise, and it kind of is, with a margarita flair. And now it's time to spice things up with the Thrill Chill. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you?
I am ready. Let's do it.
We have our jalapenos,
Put some jalapenos in there.
and that is the secret ingredient.
That is the secret ingredient, huh? Okay, all right.
Tequila,
Tequila, yep.
an ounce again. Triple sec,
Absolutely.
half. Some agave syrup.
Yep. Can't not have the agave.
Cannot. And our lime sour.
So you're about to shake this.
I'm about to.
Is that when you would say like the flavor from the jalapenos gets released when you shake it?
When you shake it.
All right, so the shake is just as important as anything else with this drink.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, and then we're gonna prep our glass.
Okay.
And right here, we have Tahi.
That's a spicy concoction there, huh?
Yes.
So it's gonna give it a little extra kick. A little extra thrill in the chill. And here it comes. Oh, I like the contrasting colors on this. Now, do we garnish this one as well?
Yes, we do. We're gonna use lime.
Okay.
And there you have it.
In honor of the new ride at the Slingshot at Sunset Walk, the Thrill Chill. I would suggest doing the ride first and then down this amazing margarita. Cheers. And there you have it, 3 new margaritas. The Fins Up Daily, Lakeside Sunrise, and Thrill Chill. Tash, that is for you. Great job.
And for you, Jim, I have something for you. I have a little sweetener water and salty rim. I like to call it the Jimarita.
Oh, the Jimarita for our little friend Jim. There you go, buddy.
You're the best, Tash.
Tash, you are the best. Enjoy these margaritas at your residence at Margaritaville Resort Orlando, or simply go over to Fins Up Bar and Grill and enjoy them with Tash and the rest of the mixologists. It's Fins Up lifestyle all the time. Did I say that wrong? Why is she laughing?
Laughing at Jim.
Oh. Okay.